For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and a 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Begin by attaching the short brace to the seat assembly using two 2-inch screws. Next, attach the front legs to the seat assembly using three 1.5-inch flat-tipped screws for each leg. The long brace is attached to the legs using two 2-inch screws. Attach the left arm to the front leg with one 2.5-inch bolt, one 1/4-inch washer, and one 1/4-inch nut. To tighten, use a 7/16-inch wrench and drill as shown. Repeat this step to attach the right arm to the front right leg. Next, attach the back to the seat and arms using four 2-inch screws. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.